folks. In today's video I'm going to talk to you about the pine cone because these are one of my favorite pine cones right here. I love to touch them, I love to gather them, I love to smell them, I love seeing the uniqueness of them, and I'm just grateful for our pine trees that bring us down here on the ground the mini pine cones seasonally, and to all of nature. They're all unique. Some get smashed, ran over by the mowers. It's springtime right now, but I love a pine cone tree. It just takes me back to my childhood.